Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y9s against the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Both phones come with the same chipset, Huawei Kirin 710F CPU with a 4GB RAM on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, while the Y9s comes with a 6GB RAM. And guys, you can see that on the back we have a triple cameras on the back. Main sensor we have on the Y9s is a 48 megapixel, while the Y9 Prime 2019 comes with a main 16 megapixel sensor. And let's see how much a difference between the Y9s and the Y9 Prime 2019. So let's get right into it. And guys, like always, so let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one when it comes to booting up. And logo came up first on the Y9 Prime, and the Huawei Y9s comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner, and you can see, while the on the another hand we have a back fingerprint scanner, so little bit difference there. And Y9 Prime 2019 is little bit wider than the Y9s, and you can see Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is faster there, while the Huawei Y9s is still taking some time, and now it is also done. And you can see very huge difference there when it comes to booting out, about 9 or 11-second difference there. So both phones comes with a full HD resolution display, but it is a IPS LCD display with no notch, no hole, Huawei full view display, because both phones comes with a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, and no upgrade on the Huawei Y9s with the megapixel. Let's show you the 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, and you can see it is a very unique feature on both phones. So let's see the apps opening speed on both phones. And like always, everything is closed up in the background, no app is running on the background. So first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, exactly the same thing happened again with the setting application as well. So moving on with music, and that is faster on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the Y9 Prime. And let's open some more application like calendar, and that seems like little bit faster on the Y9 Prime. So my files, and that seems like little bit faster on the Y9s. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. So moving on with some more application like the calculator, that was about the same on both phones, because I am interested in the RAM measurement performance messages, and that seems like a little bit ahead on the Y9s, followed by the Y9 Prime. So moving on with some games application. So first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see, and the system based application speed, it is about the same on both phones. And we have a 4GB RAM versus a 6GB RAM, but both phones comes with a same chipset. And you can see new Huawei Y9s is little bit faster than the Y9 Prime. Let's see the Subway Surfer on both phones, and that is again little bit faster on the Y9s, followed by the Y9 Prime. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And that was about the same on both phones, exactly the same speed on both phones, and you can see no difference there in the game uploading time in this application. And last, we're gonna launching the cameras on both phones, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones, same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and you can see that is super duper quick on the Huawei Y9s, but the Y9 Prime is also right behind. And you can see, and scrolling is very smooth on both phones, same thing with zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever. And let's see the internet browsing speed with the apple.com, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And seems like Y9s is faster, but the Y9 Prime is faster than the Y9s, and you can see now it is finished on both phones. Let's see the scrolling, it is very smooth on both phones, and you can see same thing with zooming in and out. Let's see the zooming in and out, and you can see very smooth on both phones. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, the important part of this video, and I am also interested in the RAM measurement performance on both phones. 4GB RAM versus a 6GB RAM that got refreshed on the Y9 Prime. Again refresh on the Y9 Prime, while the Y9s is very good in the RAM measurement with the 6 GB RAM. Let's see the calendar, refresh again on the Y9 Prime. My files again refresh, very bad RAM measurement on the Y9 Prime 2019. I hope that the RAM measurement will fix with some software updates, but right now RAM measurement is very bad. Same thing with the game apps as well. Let's see the Subway Surfer, refresh on the Y9 Prime, and you can see Y9s is very good in the RAM measurement, very excellent, good optimization that we found on the Y9s. Very good RAM measurement performance. Thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Y9s and the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. Overall, I have to say that this is some base application speed that was about the same on both phones, but the gameplay uploading time, it is faster on the Huawei Y9s, but the Y9 Prime 2019 is right behind. Almost no difference there, I have to say. And thank you so much guys for 10,000 subscribers, and thank you so much for your love and support over the years. Keep supporting me and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.